guys, so we're going to Wildberries to pick up the decorations and other stuff that came for tomorrow's celebration. So like, yeah, in short, guys, have you seen how pretty the decorations are for like New Year's? It's literally so cute. I'll show you guys later. But yeah, we are going to Wildberries to pick up items that will be decorating tomorrow, and I'll show you guys a quick review of everything we got, how I'll be decorating and all that. So yeah, let's go to Wildberries first. Yeah, so it's currently the 31st as well. It's currently the 31st, and 30th, the look, it's the 30th, yeah, and tomorrow is the 31st, and as you all know, it's crossover night, so we're all just gonna like be celebrating with friends and all that. So yeah, we want to like decorate the place because like I'm in a new apartment. I don't know if you guys noticed and all that, and the theme is black, so like yeah, we thought it would be cute like to make a cute decoration, cook some stuff and all that. So I'll be showing you guys the process of decorating and of cooking. Yeah, so that's that. Catch you when I'm in Wildberries checking out the stuff. Or I'll show you guys from home, I think. Yeah, I think that would be way better. And we also have to, yeah, just get a few other important things. Okay, guys, ciao. You know. Let's go get some drinks, guys. Okay, so guys, I'm getting something to drink tonight because we're starting the celebrations tonight, you know. These are the ones we're getting. We're getting the Essas and the like. Hey guys, so your girl is back home. Oh my goodness, I'm going to get copyrighted. FYI, this song is weird. So weird. Yeah, anyways, there's some good lights in here. Yeah, so your girl's back home, and yeah, we're going to start cooking. I'll show you guys what I got from Wildberries tomorrow because I'm so lazy to unpack and show everything individually. So we'll do it tomorrow so that like I can show you guys everything individually as I like put everything up. Yeah, so right now I'm cooking, and we just like sort of like got something to eat, as you saw. Yeah, we eat that, trying to cook. We're going to have rice and some pork steak and maybe some greens. Yeah, so I've marinated the pork. I'll show you guys when I open it, but like we've marinated there you go, you can see. Yeah, I've marinated the pork. There's one that's already marinated, and there's one that I had to marinate from scratch. So I haven't mixed them up because I want to taste the Russian one, the one that's already marinated. I'm sure it's more juicy because like it's been marinated for long and it's been in the freezer. If you're a lady, you know, the longer you leave your meat with spices, the better it tastes. So this one has just been marinated now, so I want to taste the Russian one. If it's good, then I'll be getting it frequently to make like quick meals, because like you can just like sort of like fry it. Yeah. And what else? I got this little juice that's pink that I'm so excited to try. There's strawberry in it, and like, let me show you 1 second. It's like, it's called something like Sunny Breezy, because I'm always drinking Essa, and like, yeah, this one seems like it's gonna be nice. It's got strawberry, some leche, and lime. I don't know if that's how you pronounce that, but it's so cute. I can't wait to try it. Yeah. Hi guys, so I literally fell asleep and okay, what am I saying? My brain is still not, see more heads. Anyways, like I fell asleep. I finished cooking, then took a bath and fell asleep. Yo, can you imagine? So I'm waking up now and it's pretty late and I didn't even eat after sleeping. So like I wake up and I'm served and I forget that I'm supposed to show you guys the food. I'm going to be drinking the drink I told you all about. I'm going to give it a taste test and see what it's given. Wait. It's not that bad actually. I'm just exaggerating. It's actually good. I give it like a 7 out of 10. Would I buy this again? I don't know. I feel like I would like to try other flavors instead, but it's not that bad at all. It's good. Yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys in the morning.
The next day.
Hey guys, so yeah, this is where we're at right now. I'm about to boil the meat. I need to add a bit of some water, and yep, we brought out the big guys because I need this big pot for later, so might as well start using it now. So I'll just add some water. I'm so sorry if there's noise. It's from this thing up here. So yeah, I'm going to boil this bit and I want it to be like so tender, so we're gonna do that. And then yeah, those are cubes. They're too hard, so it'll melt. Trust me guys, I do this all the time, so it's gonna melt, okay? Yeah, so this is the first time I'm actually making kebabs, as you have seen. So yeah, this is where we're at. Then I'm about to start dicing the peppers. Then I'm only going to use toothpicks. So yeah, let's do that. Oh, okay, there's too much light there. What the fuck? Okay, yeah, anyways guys, hectic day. It's already evening. It's somewhere, what's the time? It's already like 21:20, and guess what? Your girl hasn't started decorating. Not that the decorations are a lot, just I'll show you. It's nothing serious, but like I'm now just making the kebabs, as you've seen, and I literally have less than an hour. People have to start coming at 22 hours, and yeah, your girl's late. No decorations, food's not cooked. It's just a whole mess. Anyways, apart from that, yeah, a few of my friends are coming over. They're bringing their own like dish from their country so we can eat, so that's good. I'm just preparing more like the rice, the manka, which is shima, to eat with it, and also the kebabs just as finger food. And I'm also decorating just for it to look a bit pretty, hostess doing the mostess. You hear that? Fireworks have started. So now I have to rush against time because the girl hasn't bathed. I woke up late because the girl needed to rest, and I started cleaning the house. I ate first, then cleaned the house. Then I started fixing my nails. I just got them done well because yeah, I haven't been doing any manicures. I'll explain to you guys later because yeah, my nails are on a break. But yeah, right now what you're going to see me do is decorate this place. Yeah, I'm going to put balloons on the wall and just decorate the table over there. So yeah, nothing much. Okay, let's do this. And yo, I forgot that this is beef. I'm used to cooking pork and beef takes long. Dang, hostess with the lesses right now. Yo, okay, what am I thinking? Okay, so here's the bag with everything I need. Okay, so just a quick thing. I have this is a champagne bottle. The little lights to turn on at 24 or after 24, I don't know. The mat for the table there, the plates and cups. As you can see, everything is black because my kitchen is black, so that's the theme we're going with. The numbers here, the Safiyat key is black as well. this was supposed to be good. It's giving brown, to be honest, but you know what, we just have to work with it, because I saw in the table mat it's also giving a bit this color, whatever this color is, and in the plates as well it has this brown color, so it would just have to do, y'all. Like, I don't understand why people don't freaking know what gold is. Anyways, whatever, guys. All right, I'm just gonna fix you up and probably fasten this. I'm watching Friends, rewatching it because it's one of my favorite episodes, guys. Don't mind this pimple, it's popping. It's one of my favorite series of all time, so we're gonna watch that as I decorate and blow the balloons and stuff. Okay, anyways, I look a cute mess. Yeah, and I was also undoing my hair, like cutting it out, because I don't know what I would do with it. Probably wear a wig, I don't know. Let's get to it.
No one can test, cause you're the best. You made the girls feel like I'm so obsessed. Just to see your face, I can't go to space. Girl, come on, girl. Go the end, I know you can feel my pain. Girl, come on, girl. Go the end, just tease me, tease me, tease me, tease me, baby. Please me, please me, please me, please me, baby. This is my first play, guys. Fine girl, no pimple. Yeah, I love your swag and I love your demo simple. Yeah. No one can test, cause you're the best. You made the girls feel like I'm so obsessed. Just to see your face, I can't go to space. Girl, come on, girl. I know you can feel my pain. Girl, come on, girl. Go the end, just kiss me, kiss me, kiss me, kiss me, baby. Please me, please me, please me, please me, baby. Girl, come on, girl, come on, come on, girl, 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 come on. I'm in the bad guys. Hey. Which one is this? Happy New Year! 2025. Guys, your girl is tired. Anyways, the party has come to an end. It was so fun, and I started dozing when everyone was having fun. So yeah, I took a quick nap. Anyways, I just wanted to come tell y'all good night, and that's the end of the party. And I'm now taking off my wig and everything. I really look a mess. Did you cop this necklace? This is like written Renee. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's written like Renee. It's literally one of my favorite pieces because like it was a gift. It's like written Renee. Yeah. Anyways, I'll see you tomorrow, and yeah, I just need some rest, y'all. I'm tired. Good night. See you guys later today or tomorrow. I don't know.
2025 first day, first meal. I've been grateful, Lord. I've been grateful. I've continued, guys. As you said yesterday, I didn't have the salad or the rice, so yeah, we're testing it today. I'm sorry, it tastes really good, but yeah. Cheers. So guys, this is how they decorate the first floor of every building, like every building literally in Russia. Like literally, if you go in any apartment building, they have all these beautiful decorations put up just to celebrate the holidays. And tomorrow is Christmas for them, so this is very beautiful, y'all. Look at this. This is so beautiful. And that's the entrance. Like, ho ho ho. These people gonna make you feel like it's Merry Christmas. This is so beautiful. Hey guys, so it's been a few days after the New Year's celebration. Oh my goodness, guys, I literally enjoyed myself. It's actually, what's the date today? 6th or 7th? I don't know. Yeah, so I realized I didn't close out the vlog. So this is me now coming to close off the vlog. And telling you that we're still celebrating New Year's here. Oh, it's actually the 6th. Today is actually the 6th, yeah. Because, yeah, in Russia, we're still celebrating New Year's. We're still celebrating Christmas because tomorrow is Russia's Christmas. Can you imagine? So, yeah, I just wanted to hop here, say that I literally had a blast. I'm sure you guys saw how I celebrated my New Year's. The food was delicious. It was so delicious. The company was amazing. Like, that's just how I want to start my New Year, surrounded by people I care about and love. So yeah, that was so awesome. So yeah, guys, this is from me wishing you all the best for 2025. And yeah, just to say, make sure to subscribe. Subscribe. You watch my videos but you're not subscribed. Like, subscribe. And also make sure to turn on that post notification, because this year I'm coming in hot. Like, I'm posting back to back to back. If you've noticed, I'm posting consistently. I'll give a girl her flowers. Yeah, so posting back to back. So make sure you have that notification bell on, and make sure to leave a comment, y'all. Like, it makes me so happy when you comment something that you loved about my vlog. So yeah, that'll be all. Make sure to subscribe. Stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video. As I look like a little boy right now, but you'll love me like this. Okay, see you in the next video.